Hi, this is John with WTI. And if you're starting already of trying to do any work of maybe doing repair technician like I would do in my case, or you just want a heat gun that is gonna be simple and just working properly, this guy here is really good. And I'm gonna tell you what I like the most from this. Simple just to do. Having this kickstand that is going to avoid for you just to drop the gun around, just easy to travel with. It's not like a heavy station. It actually does the work. I changed the back door and the battery of my phone just using this. Connected, straight on, easy just to work. You have this kickstand that is going to avoid maybe you burning yourself or burning something different. And it's not overly high of a voltage. It's just like easy to do, easy to work with, and you cannot ask for more than this. It just gets the job done. Right now, I'm changing the battery of one of my best friend's phones. And just like to remove the glue, remove the back door, it just works great. So, this is a great option for you just to do repairs. This was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.